Well, hello everyone. We're out on this frozen lake today. Sorry I didn't bring a stick or a microphone. Hopefully you can hear this. But we're out on a beautiful day, hiking across this frozen lake. We're in a nice valley with some glaciers here. And it's a perfect day because the temperature is right at freezing, about 27 degrees. And then a little bit of a wind from the west, but the sun's out, so it's a beautiful day. The snow on the ice is all frozen still, so it's a good walking for most of it. And we're on about 4 to 6 feet of ice anyway, but yeah, the conditions are perfect for a hike across the ice. And look at those mountains. Beautiful day, getting out, doing something with the family. We're going to come around here. I'll swing around. As we come around this point, there's a glacier right behind me. So you can see there's a bunch of people out today. It's a Saturday, of course, and it's beautiful. So why not take advantage of it? And the conditions are perfect. We are getting some nice hiking in on a beautiful day. There's a storm coming in this next week. But yeah, if this was covered with snow, or soft snow, you need snowshoes or skis. It's good skiing conditions too. And there's some guys out here with fat tire bikes and whatnot. But yeah, so out here with the kids, having a good time. Not much of a bushcraft video because we're just walking on a frozen lake. But, I mean, and there's not a whole lot to burn out here. So you either need to bring a stove or some other means to cook with. We just brought some trail mix and some granola bars. And we'll get some video as we get up here closer to the glacier. Alright. Well, there's the glacier in the background. Yeah. There's Sam. Some bikers. Lots of other people around here today. Beautiful day in the mountains by the glacier. Mountains there. Alright, so anyway, not much of a video, just us having fun on the ice. Anyway, we're going to have a picnic here. We've got our little setup there. We have a little picnic and then we're going to head back. Hey everyone, well, we're headed back. The wind picked up, so I had to pull out my windbreaker, my rain jacket, and put that on. So I got a layer, you know, that's the only way in the springtime here. It get quite nice and warm during the day, even above freezing. And so I just had a wool shirt and a down vest on, as you saw earlier. But heading back now, the wind's picked up quite a bit. And so I put on the rain jacket as a windbreaker, and I'm nice and warm. So it's good to have layers. And then I have a Primaloft synthetic jacket, as my big jacket. But anyway, it's not warm enough for that, or cold enough for that. Anyway, we're heading back. We're kind of getting there. It looks far away. It kind of is far away. But great conditions if you can see the ice here we're walking on. It's nice and hard. It's not too bad to hike in. And then of course it's a lake, so it's perfectly flat. Yay! Anyway, so having a good day out here. Hopefully the wind's not making too much noise there for you. I'm going to put my gloves back on. So I hope everyone's doing well, staying safe, and managing to find something to do. It's kind of hard being you know, stuck inside or stuck at work, and with everything closing down, makes our lives a little more difficult, but, you know, we'll get through it, we always do, and I hope you're having some kind of fun, find something different to do, or you can manage to find a place to get outside that's away from people. Alright, have some fun, but anyway, take care and stay safe, I'll see you on the next video.